Marina from Frocks Frolics, and I want to introduce you to our next project, this super cute Bolero jacket right here. This jacket has so many options, you're gonna absolutely love it. And on the jacket you've got a slit, you don't have to put it in, but you can. And it gives you that beautiful 60s look here. The collar is a shawl collar, and if you were ever a little bit scared of a shawl collar, you don't need to be scared of it at all. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Now let's have a little look inside this jacket, and when I open it up you will see here that my sleeves have been put in separately and they're slightly touched by hand, so I'm going to show you all these techniques to do that. I always get the question, may I sell things that I make with your pattern? And I can only say, of course you can. Please send us pictures. Please also join the Academy and we can say hurrah for you if you're selling it, and we can also show other people what you're doing. So I support this totally, so you go for it. If you want to wear this jacket more casual and you want to wear it over a pair of jeans, it might be a little short. So you've got the other option of creating it with a ruffle, and the ruffle of course is included in your pattern, and I show you how that works. And I'm also putting a ruffle in here with a slightly set back seam, and that is gorgeous. It's a technique that's done in industry a lot, and I will show you exactly how this works. And as bonus, I've got for you a really neat trick in here as well. That is free for everyone, whether you buy my sewing course or not. I'm going to show you how to insert a sleeve so that it's completely flush and neat without the overlocking, and that video is free. And you can find it right here on YouTube as well as in the Academy and on frocksandfrolics.com, and I hope you really enjoy this. But swiftly moving on. Here I've made the jacket in a lovely linen, and this time I've used a contrast for the sleeve, which you can see here. I think it's really good to work with contrast, and you can play around with the facings and how you arrange them. And here you can see also I've got 2 buttons on this one, so whether you use 1 button or 2 or 3, that's up to you. And you can also attach the ruffle straight to the jacket, also very nice. And here you can see how I've used the facings differently. Now if you want to buy just the pattern and you don't need any video support for it, then you can just go to frocksandfrolics.com and purchase the pattern. If you want the whole course, then you can log in to the Academy. If you're not a member yet, then please sign up. It's completely free. Lots of free videos on there. The link is in the video description for all of that, or under the info button in the top right hand corner here, so that you can easily access it. So join us at the academy.frocksandfrolics.com and learn how to sew like a pro, and I'll see you there. Bye for now.